Nature's Best, Green Hemp Peace, Poetry by Henry Dowd. Defender of the faith, a commitment to nature's ways, omnipotent divinity commands ultimate praise. A virtue in the darkness will guide us to the light, to give thanks to our nature with the purest of sight. Over 12,000 years, the almighty hemp species has thrived. With strength from hemp, our species has survived. To live the good life with truth, a real foundation. With trust, we serve our nature with perfect celebration. Through life with love, we fulfill our soul's needs as nature's generous rewards of the seeds of peace, to impart the wisdom and set us free, and together as nature's best, we strive in liberty to stand tall with sensations of almighty bliss, as we together connect with God. Our thoughts of this will save us from sorrow and release our pain. Yes, with healing from nature, wisdom and love to gain. In the light that shines so pure and grand, we rejoice in positivity. With prayer we stand. As nature we're strong. In life it's a must. In peace, love and harmony, hope, faith and trust.